Welcome to the Vicinity Remote Monitoring Portal. Once you have connected, using your username and password, you'll be brought to this dashboard. This will allow you to edit or manage either your devices or the company information. Starting with the company, here I can add either an administrator or an installer, simply filling in their name, surname, and email address. Coming to devices, click on Manage, and all your devices will be reflected here. If you want to edit the device, click on the device name, and this information will be reflected. To edit the information, simply click Edit. You can now edit the description, which is the site name or where the device is located. I can take installers off, or I can add installers, and I can change the time zone depending on where I am in the world. On the same page, you have the scheduler. The scheduler is where scheduled watering slots are programmed. To change this, I need to press Edit. I need to select a reason, and in this instance, I'm going to say the wall requires more water. I do need to put in a reason or under description, and without this, it will not update. I'm now going to go in and add an extra hour here, extra hour over here, and after I put my reason in, I can then update. On the same page, we have something called force start. This would be either where installer or technician is on site and are wanting to test the pump. They're able to test the pump by putting in 10 or 15 minutes for it to run and check that it is running. The alternative would be if a scheduled watering slot has been missed, that this can be force started by selecting a device or selecting a time to be force started. Going to your audit log, here all activity is recorded on the device from inception. More importantly, this is where your device error states are reflected. The first being simply error. This error means that the water system is not running correctly. This error typically occurs when either the pump runs dry, or there's no power to the pump, or anything else that could prevent water from flowing past the flow sensor. The second is called missed running. This error means that the device has missed one of its scheduled watering slots. A check is done every 20 minutes to ensure the device is running when it's scheduled to run. If the device is meant to be running and is not in a running state, this error will be generated. Thirdly, you get the offline error. This means that the device has not been connected to the internet and therefore couldn't check in for at least 3 hours. This error typically occurs when there is no power or has lost connectivity to the Wi-Fi. And that is a quick summary of the Vicinity Remote Monitoring Portal.